Come try the barbecue boneless baby back rib sandwich with me at Shake Shack. We got the barbecue rib sandwiches from Shake Shack and the spicy fries. Добрый путь.
We'll try the.
See, it's homemade barbecue rib sandwich.
Добрый путь.
Definitely needs more barbecue sauce. I don't think it's worth the hype. For me, anyway, no. I've had better rib meat. This barbecue sauce, not my favorite.
But the meat.
Meat, it's nice and tender.
For me, I was thinking it's gonna be so much better.
I don't know how I feel about this barbecue sauce. Yeah, I don't know. There's something about it.
I don't is it. Do you like it?
The ranch is 10 out of 10. The fries have a nice kick to them.
It's his favorite cheese sauce.